Hi students, VJ Academy is already successful in providing the courses for all civil engineering competitive examination at most affordable price. Now we are starting civil engineering software courses also, both drafting and design softwares. So we are starting with AutoCAD. So immediately after posting videos and mentioning you the package details, many students asked me to make the separate video about the syllabus. Already we made a video on syllabus, but still many students asked to make from my side, so that is why I am explaining you. So basically civil engineers need both drafting and design software. In this drafting again we have architectural drawing and civil engineering drawing. Even though we are civil engineers, we should learn about the architectural drawing also, like plan, section, elevation. For students who are new, to understand in a simple way, whatever you see from outside is architectural, what is not visible is civil engineering. If you see a elevation, that is actually architectural. If you see a plan, that is architecture. But how to construct that, what are the types of cross section we have to use, how much steel we have to use, what grade of concrete we have to use, all this is not visible from the outside, that is civil engineering. So our work will not be visible, so that is the reason generally civil engineering are not having the value, because our hard work will not be visible. Okay, so this can be explained. So if you see one chair, simple chair, how the chair is looking, that is architecture. But how to make that chair to be stable, so this comes into civil engineering. Which type of material we have to use, how much thickness of the legs we have to place, should we place any beams to get the support. So all this type of things comes under civil engineering. Okay, so every one of you may be aware. So civil engineer should know both, because while executing a structure, a single structure cannot have both architecture and civil engineering in the site. So obviously even when you want to start your own business, obviously you should know, a architect who start a business will learn civil engineering concepts. Obviously even in their curriculum they will have, but still they will specially learn civil engineering to start business. Similarly, a civil engineer who want to start a business obviously should learn basic knowledge about architecture. Okay, and second thing is design software. As I said, that is basically a civil engineering work. So whatever the thing that we design, we have to communicate that to site engineers. So to communicate that, we use drawings. Okay, so the drawing process is drafting. Even the instrument that we use physically is drafter only, right? So that drafting software is AutoCAD. Okay, not only AutoCAD, there are so many other type of drafting softwares also, and AutoCAD is one of the very famous drafting software. In certain situations, maybe a particular drafting software might be more advantage, but this is like a generalized command based software which every civil engineer should know, and many students may be already having in their curriculum. So whether this course will be useful or not, depending on the syllabus, you can decide yourself. Okay, so the syllabus PDF I will attach in the description. You can watch the syllabus and decide yourself. So basically this is the syllabus. So till 15th topic we will explain, various type of commands, about the graphical user interface, about the toolbar, everything we will be explaining. Before starting the actual civil engineering part, you should understand about the software completely. So how to draw a polygon, so what is the graphic, what is the coordinate system, what is the areas we have to take, how to calculate the areas, lengths. So everything initially before starting civil engineering till the 15th section, we will be explaining about the software and how to use the software till here. So what covers in this, you can read by yourself. So from here civil engineering part will start. So here both architectural and civil engineering, both drawings will be covered. So you can see preparation of own plan of 2-story building, floor plan, elevation, section, about the doors, windows, etc. Next, so this is civil engineering part, fixing and position of columns and beams according to the project requirement, detailed drawing of the typical beams and columns including the cross sectional view, means detailing we can say. So detailed drawings of the footings and their sectional view, detailed drawings about the doors, windows, that is we call this as joinery details. So doors, windows, ventilators, staircase, etc. And some specific exercises, and about the tool planets, publish exercises and live projects. So one live project will be explained completely in detail from starting to ending, and a certificate also will be provided for you. So to get that certificate, whatever the exercises that we are mentioning here, so you have to do the exercises, and you need to submit one live project for us. Okay, we will give you multiple options, around 5 options we will give you. We will completely in detail we will explain about one live project. So on the time basis, maybe if possible we will do another live project also. So you have to submit one live project to get the certificate. Okay, so exercises are for you. I will show you how will be the exercises. We will give you the PDF exercises for you, and also you will get the ISO certified certificate from us, which will add a weightage if you want to also try private sector for employment. Obviously this adds a weightage for you. Okay, so now I will show you some PDFs that we are going to provide. So for example, exercise on coordinate system, exercises on hatch dimension, exercises on stairs, miscellaneous practice exercise. This is also a practice exercise. So for your practice after learning the command, and some shortcut PDF, whatever the commands that you learn. Okay, so this will be provided for you. So you have to submit one live project so to get this certificate from us. Okay, now I will briefly show you the videos of the content whatever I explained you now. So let's open the so after opening the offline software, it will ask your email ID, give your email ID. The software looks like this. So if you are taken AutoCAD software, there will be a button AutoCAD. Click that. This software don't require any internet. Once you download, we will give you the video download link, so you can play it in offline also. So you can see the videos, syllabus and discussion, introduction for GUI, absolute coordinate system, relative and polar units, draw toolbars, modify toolbars, exercises, array commands and exercises, point style, hatches, length and range, M-line, dimension, text and editings, layer match property. So okay, I will show you something related to civil engineering. So elevation and section. So this is how you can open the video. Okay. Okay, I will open the live project video also for you. So so there are 6 parts in this live project because it will be very detailed. So I am opening only the first part. It's a lengthy video, so it's taking some time to process. Okay, so this is about a live project that we are going to cover. So this is a continuation video. So in the last video we simply explained how to draw the other project also. In brief we explained in the last video. Okay, so I hope you got a basic idea of the course content, and we'll give one basic idea on Vastu also. So if you are interested, I will release that freely in YouTube itself. If you want, you can watch that. Okay, so this is the basic course structure. So initially we'll explain completely about the software and its commands. Later we'll start with architectural, that is plan, section, elevation, joinery details, and then we'll start civil engineering related column positioning, detailing, everything. Okay, so civil part, architecture and commands completely 2D. Okay, so for 3D we will be using Revit software. So once Revit will launch Revit, I will explain about the Revit software. Okay, so students who are interested to take this course, so initially we are launching an offer. So we are giving a launching offer as many students are not aware of the course contents still. So I hope you have seen what we are going to cover. So if possible, we will try to add one more live project for you. Okay, so the offer currently is for VG Academy students, so who are already VG Academy students. So for 1 year access you can pay 750 rupees, and for a lifetime access it is 1250 rupees only. So this last date I gave for 17/7, but still as many students are not aware about the course content, we are extending this date to 24/7/2020. Okay, so now we are clear about the course content, right? And for outside students who want to register only for this AutoCAD course, so for you the price will be 1000 rupees for 1 year access and 1500 rupees for lifetime access. Okay, so this price will be till 24/7/2020. So after that, what is the exact price we will decide later. Okay, so students who are interested, you can straight visit VG Academy website. Click on register. So students who are expecting some combo packages for all the softwares, once we launch the combo packages, whatever the amount you pay here, we will deduct there, no problem, because since we have not launched from our side, definitely we will consider the amount you paid currently for AutoCAD. Okay. Okay, so here you can see civil CAD software courses, AutoCAD 1 year, AutoCAD lifetime. Okay, so 1000 rupees, 1500. If you are already existing student, you can pay 750 rupees and 1250 rupees to me. So I am giving the offer till 24th. Okay, so students who are registered interested can enroll now. If you are VG Academy student, you need not enroll. You can directly click pay now and pay here. Okay, so these courses can be accessed both from mobile app and also laptop offline app. As I showed you, this don't require internet also. Even mobile also have the offline facility. Okay, so you can access from one mobile and one laptop for one user ID. Okay, thank you.